Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is in my lap. So y'all, I've got something new. I have never ordered from here before, but this is bhcosmetics, Beauty Under Your Influence. Now, I have heard that bhcosmetics makes the best brushes. So I thought I'd put it to the test. So guess what's inside here? We're gonna open it up and see. Since I'm new to bhcosmetics, I do not know if I have any links, anything like that. I don't even know if I have an account yet. Surely I made an account, but I can't remember. I can't remember. I just remember that I ordered something. So let's just get rid of some paper and some more paper. Ooh, I got some stuff in here, y'all. Ooh. Okay. Sneakity peeks. Sneakity peeks. Sneakity peeks. And sneakity peeks. Alright, that's everything in the box. So, yeah. Shame on me. I'm bad. Y'all, I have been trying to be really good and not buy a lot of makeup and stuff, but I just can't help it. I want to try everything. And so I spent about $57, a little over $57. We are going to look first at these power pencils because why not? I mean, really. So these are waterproof eyeliners. And the reason I got these is from my waterline. What did I get? One is Shimmer Pearl and the other is Warm Brown. I just wanted a brown eyeliner. I have a lot of black. I didn't have brown. They have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different shades in this. Right now it's half off, so $4.50, normally $9. Very cool. Let's see what it says. Intensify your eye looks with our Power Pencils waterproof eyeliner. Available in a spectrum of pigment-packed shades from nude beige to bright teal in matte and shimmer finishes. This creamy formula glides on for lasting definition. From graphic liners to sharp wings to smudging perfection, glimmering effects are endless. Highly pigmented, ultra smooth, blendable color, cruelty-free, vegan, dermatologist tested, and gluten-free. So let's just open them up. I have a little liner on right now, but I'm not in love with what I'm wearing. So we might just go over it. This one is the Warm Brown. It does have a thingamabobby that always is hard for me to get open. Does anyone else struggle with this stuff? It's got the little tear thing. You'd think it would be easy, but no. See, I only get so far with it and then it stops. And then I get this stuff stuck to me. See, it's still stuck to me. Someone help me. The craziness. How do them chicks on the info net, you know, the real influencers, they just pull it off in one fell swoop. I can't do that. I have to fight with it. I think I got it all off now. The struggles of bringing makeup to y'all. All right, here's the end. Nice, sharp. Ooh. All right, let's just. All right, y'all can see I have a little bit. What did I put in there today? Purple? Or maybe I put a little of that, what do you call it? Jeffree Star's green liner in there. But we'll just do a little brown over the top and see what it looks like. I'm a tight liner, if you hadn't noticed. It goes on really smooth and really nice, I gotta say. Okay, I like it. Actually, I really like it. It went on really nice. Now, has it transferred to the bottom any? Not yet. That's good. Now let's go to the Shimmery Pearl. Why didn't I get a nude? I bet they were out of the nude. Yeah, they're out of the nude right now. Yeah, I mean, it's half off. I bet everybody's buying them. Bright teal shimmer. Interesting. They have a white. The white's available. Matte snowy white. Alright, let me fight with this stuff again. All the other influencers, they just do that and it's done. That's why I'm not an influencer. I'm a sharer. I just like to share what I've bought with y'all. I am not an expert at anything. Well, I'm pretty good at spending my money. I'm sure there's someone out there who's better at that than me. Look at that. That's so pretty. Can you all see that? It's there. It's definitely there. That's neat. All right, I have a nude right here and a little bit of a green right there. We're just gonna go over the top of it. I wasn't happy with it anyway. And the good thing about it is it has a little bit of shimmer to it. So you can just kind of catch it in the light. It just gives you a little more open right there. Very cute. I do like these. I actually like them a lot. A whole lot. Like, I want to buy more. They're out of black. Let me see. I could get the white. I got this through the rich sienna. Well, this is a warm brown. What's the difference in a rich sienna brown and a warm brown? I don't even see. It's probably the same thing. So white and teal and brown are the only ones available right now. Oh, yeah, and the pearl. I'm gonna have to edit some of this video out. Let's just keep going because I'm so tired. So here's the brushes I was talking about. What did I pay for these? Free shipping, by the way, in US on orders over $40. This is the Bombshell Beauty 10-piece brush set with a bag. Normally $26. Right now it's 20% off, so I paid $20.80 for it. What does it say about it? Amplify your glam to perfection with our Bombshell Beauty 10-piece brush set featuring plush synthetic bristles and elegant pink handles. This essential collection of face and eye brushes offers precise placement and a blended finish of liquids, creams, and powders for exquisite eye and radiant complexion. Whisper soft synthetic bristles, multifunction for face and eye, perfect for defining features and buffing out color, cruelty-free, and comes with a cosmetic bag. Now in this box you're going to get one large powder brush, one blush brush, one small contour brush, one large blending brush, one blending brush, one large shader brush, one large flat shadow brush, one small detailing brush, a pencil brush, and an angled eyeliner brush. Guess I'm awful. There they are, Laura. Let's just look at them. We gotta look. Oh my goodness, y'all look at this bag. It's floofy. Oh, it's floofy. Look at the floofiness. Let's just get rid of that. There. This is just too cute. I mean, you could carry that around as a clutch if you wanted to. Too adorable, and it's all sealed up, nice and pretty and stickly thingies. Not these. Oh my goodness. All right, so there's the brushes. Another gel thing. Timber. Oh my goodness. Very adorable. Very adorable. Okay. So, here we go. We've got the full face brush. She is a chunky monkey. Wow. They feel so quality. Oh, oh my goodness, so soft. So soft, y'all. I have used this one half to death, which is like that, which is the e.l.f. version. It's lighter. This one has a little more weight to it. But, I mean, both synthetic bristles, both light and soft, full face. I love using this kind of brush. It says it's #1. There you go. It's #1. All right, here we go. Next, so this is the blush brush. Now, normally when I use blush, I've been using these angled brushes. I don't know, I think they fit the face better, but these are so nice. I'll try it. I don't always use the brushes for what they're supposed to be used for. I just use them for what I want. Here we have the small contour brush. Now, I have been wanting a smaller contour brush. I just think it places it so much better when you have a smaller brush. So I'm very excited to get this. This is the large blending brush. Such good quality. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited to try these out, y'all. This is the blending brush. This is the large shader brush. This is the small detail brush. Oh, that's cute. That'll be good for right here. Putting that darker color right here. That's nice. Okay, I like that. I don't think I have one like this. What are you? You're the angled brush. You're the angled eyeliner brush. These come in so handy. I don't always use them for eyeliner, but like sometimes I'll just stamp some right there at the base. Some, you know, just some eyeshadow or something. This is the large flat shadow brush. I tend to use these to put on my base, my liquid base, like my P. Louise, or even my concealer. It just places it right where I want it. And then I will pat it in. But I guess you're supposed to use it for a flat shadow brush. Who cares, right? Do what you want. I own it. I can do what I want with it, right? And a pencil brush. I like these for putting highlight in the corner of my eyes. I think they're really great for that. So, how do y'all use all your brushes? What do you do with them? I want to know. I'm curious to know if you use them for what they're supposed to be used for, or if you're like me and just use them for whatever you want. I did get 2 of these because I got one for my bestie. You know who you are? Look what you're gonna get. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. All right, so now we're gonna look at the last thing. Y'all, I couldn't get a brush set without getting a palette to use it with. And I have been eyeballing this palette for a while now. And I thought, oh, this is the perfect time. This is the perfect time to try it. Especially since they're doing sales right now at bhcosmetics. I heard some rumors they were going out of business or being bought out or something. Not really sure. If you know anything about that, please comment below. Let me know what's going on. Because I'm nosy like that. So in here are 25 colors, eyeshadow and highlighter palette. I love the highlighter. Can't you tell? This is 75% off right now. It's normally $27. I paid $6.75 for it. I think that's brilliant. $6, and you know, I may order another one of these for a giveaway. Let me know if y'all like to see these in a giveaway, because oh my goodness, y'all. I just want to look. Let me see. Is there a mirror? Yes, there's a mirror. Let me get this out of the way. The color saver. Okay. Ooh, look. I can't even. All right, let me just. An alluring look is in the stars with our versatile Zodiac 25 color shadow and highlighter palette. A divine spectrum of bright to smoldering shadows that create dazzling eye effects with 12 baked shimmers, 12 buttery mattes, and a luminous baked highlighter. These super pigmented shades apply effortlessly to illuminate your eyes and cheeks with radiant color. With 12 baked shimmers, 12 buttery mattes, let's see, these have to be the 12 baked shimmers, and these must be the 12 buttery mattes, and the luminous baked highlighter in the middle. These super pigmented shades apply effortlessly to illuminate your eyes and cheeks with radiant color. Is this not gorgeous? Let's just swatch a few. What do we want? All right, y'all know I'm a Leo, so we're gonna go for Leo. Okay. Hello, Leo. Let's just do. Oh, it's kind of small in there. Ooh. Okay. Here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. This one didn't do the best swatch, but the shimmers are very good. Let me wipe and let me grab another color. Let's try the black one and the Aries, because hubby is an Aries. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. I see the smoky eye in there. All right, what else? Let's do Gemini. Gemini. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. This is really pretty. I'm so excited, y'all. Ooh, Aquarius almost looks like it's dual tone. Aquarius. Look at that. Y'all, I'm excited. What do y'all think? I mean, I'm pretty excited. I think it's so pretty. I gotta do it. Yeah, I can't stop. I can't stop. It's an addiction now. It's an addiction now. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to play with this. I want to take off my makeup and do it right now. Actually, well, I really don't, because I don't feel great. But so fun. Let me just add a couple more of these to my cart. Because, yeah, for $6.75, this is a great giveaway product. Oh my goodness. I know y'all would love to do it too. And then we can make looks together. Y'all, I kind of want to send this to one of my YouTube buddies and then do like a collab look. Is that something y'all be interested in seeing? If like I picked one of my friends and then we both did a look out of the palette to see, you know, like battle of the palettes or something. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Y'all, thank you so very much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this. And this, y'all, have a wonderful day and God bless.